Hey folks, so the question is, can ChatGPT give us laser project ideas? Well, we're going to ask it. And I'm using ChatGPT 5 Plus, so it's a pay version, but you can do this with the free version as well. So welcome to the channel. I'm Dave. So we're going to go into the ChatGPT here, and I'm just going to paste in, can you give me diode laser project ideas? And click upload. We'll see what it says. And you can see all of the possible projects broken down. That's pretty quick too. Broken down by type of project. Home and kitchen, decor and seasonal projects, everyday carry and personal items. I don't want to read all these to you, but you can pause the video and take a look, or you can hop on to ChatGPT and check this out for yourself. And you can see when you get to the bottom of the list, ChatGPT will ask you a question. So it's asking me, do I want it to lean more toward my shop ideas for selling or toward things that have a strong Etsy market potential? So let's just tell it, I'm just going to copy and paste this, things with strong Etsy market potential, and we'll see what it gives us. I think I grabbed more than I needed, but we'll see. Yeah, let's get rid of that parenthesis. Okay, so then we're just going to upload that and see what it gives us. So now we've drilled it down to some of the best Etsy sellers. Let's go on down and see if ChatGPT can narrow the list for us a little bit. So here's another question. If you want, I can narrow this list into the top 10 high profit, low material cost Etsy projects. So let's just say, please. Okay, so we got it. ChatGPT likes you to be nice to it, and then it'll be nice to you. So there you go. So here are some high profit items on Etsy. Let's go down and see if they say anything else. Sweet spot items, light on material, time, and highly customizable. So depending on what you're looking to do with your laser, whether it's just strictly for hobby, or if you're looking to open an Etsy shop or another sellable method, then ChatGPT can definitely help you because it has access to all of that information. So you could just start out by asking it to check Etsy for high profit items. You can narrow between lasered wood products, or if you've got a fiber laser or something you can do metal with, you can ask it about metal. I've just got diode lasers, so some of this is learning. It knew I had a diode laser, but we did start out by telling it we wanted diode laser projects. So it's certainly worth playing around with. Like I said, you can do this with the free version, so that's a good thing. You can do it faster with the pay version, but the free version works fine. And ChatGPT is not a sponsor. I don't have any sponsors. And in fact, I don't sell anything. So there you go. All right, folks, I hope that was helpful. If you have questions, please ask. And you can search around for prompts on the internet, or you can just ask ChatGPT, how should I format a prompt for this thing that I want you to do? And it'll give you the proper way to prompt. So I guess that's it. And just check back often for new videos. If it was helpful, please like and subscribe. Helps keep me out in the shop trying new things, and I'll keep sharing with you folks. So just check back often for new videos. You folks take care, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.